I'm Mike from Fit and Bike Active Holidays. I'm out riding one of our fabulous road biking trips, and I just took a short stop up here on the hill to show you what is waiting on one of our road bike trips here in Cyprus. Paphos is about 30 kilometers this way, and if you continue the road the other way, you have Limassol about 40 kilometers the other way. As you can see, this is not a typical beach road as you would know it from Strandvejen in Denmark, for instance. No, this is a rolling, hilly, fantastic and nice challenge beach ride or coastal ride. I'm up here in about 100 meters above sea level. Just down here behind me you have the Petra Rui something stone formation, one of the tourist attractions here for the not so active tourists. And yeah, this is what you can come and join me on if you join us for a road bike week on Fit and Bike Active Holidays. Click here to watch more videos on YouTube, and please give us a on Facebook, and then see you on the bike. Ciao.